Welcome to this tutorial on H5P. H5P is a collaboration framework, a content collaboration framework, and it makes learning very interactive, very interesting for the learner. So what you first do is go to Google, and in Google you will type H5P. You will get the very first site, h5p.org. Click on that. Now, if you are a first-time user, you will have to create a free account. So, first you will create a free account by giving just your email and any password that you wish. That will be your password that is unique to this site, the H5P site. In my case, I already have an account and therefore I can directly log in. Now, when I log in, you can see that is my account with my name there, CD Costa, and you can also see that I have created certain content. That content is visible. Let me show you now how you can add new content. So what you will do is, you will go to contents. You will go to contents, click on contents and say create new content. So H5P gives you lots of options. Some of these options like memory game, interactive video. Do not try interactive video right now. We will have a separate session on it. Drag the words, dialogue cards, fill in the blanks and so on. Let me first teach you how you can use drag the words. So I'm going to choose this one, drag the words, and you can see here that you require some kind of a title. So let us say the title is on collective nouns, or let me take another topic because I already have one made on collective nouns. Let me take here vertebrates. So I want the students to classify the vertebrates. So how would I describe the task? So the description that I can give for this task is drag the right class of vertebrates. You can use this for any kind of classification of nouns, etc. So you can use any kind of classification. Here we are classifying vertebrates. Now what we have to do is, we have to have droppable words and a correct phrase. For example, so when you are typing frog is an amphibian. As you must have noticed that I put frog with asterisks. They are not inverted commas, it should be asterisk sign, because that is the word that will fit in there. Let us take another example. Snake is a reptile. Let us take a third example. Pigeon belongs to aves. Let us have another example. Man is an example of mammals. So in this case we have given 4 animals and their classes. Now we will scroll down. And we'll just say save and see what it looks like. So my little test that I have got for drag and drop is ready. And you can see that as soon as I clicked on save, I have come to 2 things. my title has come there, vertebrates, view and edit. So I can always edit my test or my little creation anytime I want. The question is there, drag the right class of vertebrates. So dash is an amphibian. So amphibian is frog. So I'll take frog and I will drag it there. Dash is a reptile. So I'll take snake and I will drag it there. Now let me try something wrong. Let me say man belongs to ales and let me say pigeon belongs to mammals, which I know are wrong answers, and I'll say check. And you can see that 2 answers out of 4 are right and 2 answers are wrong. I can either ask for the solution. So it will give me the right solution by saying not man but pigeon belongs to ales. I can also retry, and this time I can take my answers and just check. Any answer can be dragged first, there is no order, as long as all the 4 answers are dragged. Or as many questions are there, all those questions should be answered. Now we'll say check, and we can see that our answers are all correct. Now let me say I want to edit it, because I want to change this title. Instead of saying drag the class of vertebrates, I want to say so I said edit, and when I went to edit, I want this to be changed. Select the correct animal. So I have made my change, and then all I need to do is save it. As soon as I have saved, I can go back to my account, and under my account, this new interactive resource that we added, that of vertebrates, is up there. How do we give it to our students? So one thing is, we can just click on it and we can start playing it. Alternatively, what we could do is, if we want to give the link of this, we can say open link in new tab, and you can see that a new tab has opened up here, and this new tab is what we should be sharing with our students. So I suggest you copy this link. The link will always start with h5p.org/node/a number. So I'm copying this link, and now let me try it in a brand new window. This is a brand new window where Google has come up. So there in the address bar, I'll type this link and I'll say done. And you can see that the game is up there for students to play. Even if the students do not have an H5P account, they can play this game or they can learn through this resource. But to create a resource, you as a teacher must have an H5P account. This link can be shared anytime with students or whoever is interested in learning. I hope you like this little interactive resource of dragging the right word.